Today we're going to do a walk around of our Texas Pride 20-foot Gooseneck 18,000-pound extra wide deck Lowboy equipment trailer. Now, a Lowboy style trailer simply means that the deck is down in between the wheels for a lower ride height. Our Lowboy equipment trailers are available in lengths from 14 feet all the way up to 30 feet. This particular model features an extra wide deck with drive-over fenders for loading larger equipment. So let's start at the front and work our way to the back. Up front, we have a 4-hole adjustable gooseneck coupler that allows you to adjust the coupler height of your trailer to your truck evenly to ensure your trailer is level going down the road. Behind the coupler, we have heavy 8-inch channel tongue with gusset reinforcements for maximum strength and stability. Every Texas Pride trailer features all required DOT safety equipment such as heavy-duty safety chains, emergency breakaway switch with long-lasting battery, and more reflective tape than you'll find on most other trailers. This trailer also comes standard with a 7-way electrical plug, and all of the wiring on the trailer is modular and sealed to ensure years of trouble-free use. At the back of the neck, there are dual 12,000-pound heavy-duty drop leg jacks with spring return. Almost all Texas Pride gooseneck trailers feature dual jacks for more stability and lifting power to make it easier for connecting and disconnecting your trailer from your vehicle. Walking around to the side of the trailer, let's start with the main frame of the trailer, which is a heavy 8-inch channel iron. The cross members are 3-inch channel iron on 16-inch centers under the deck. Now, some other trailers this size use angle iron for the cross members and put them on wider spacing, but we feel there should be plenty of support for varying loads. The decking on the trailer is pressure-treated lumber and is fully screwed down to the frame. There's also an option for an upgrade to diamond plate flooring as well. On the side of the frame, we have stake pockets with a rub rail which allows you to secure your load from any point on the trailer. And the stake pockets are just the right size that you can insert 2x4 lumber in them to make removable wooden stake sides if you wish. Another key feature on this trailer are the heavy gauged reinforced fenders. These fenders are purposely made to drive over and are made from high-grade diamond plate steel with traction bars welded to the front and back for maximum traction while loading and unloading even in wet conditions. The deck is extended on either side of the frame with steel plating to match the outside width of the fenders. This gives you a full 102-inch width deck for extra wide equipment. This extra wide deck and drive-over fender combination gives you one of the most versatile Lowboy trailers available on the market today. For running gear, this trailer comes standard with 2 heavy-duty 9,000-pound 8-lug axles with brakes on all 4 wheels, standard. If you get into a slippery situation, you want all the braking power you can get. Now, one highly important standard feature on these axles is the convenient built-in lubrication system. To fill or top off the central grease reservoirs, you simply pop the center cap in the hub, fit the grease gun over the Zerk fitting, and fill. Simple and convenient. And where the rubber meets the road is going to be 4 17.5-inch premium radial 16-ply tires mounted on 8-hole high-grade steel wheels for maximum stopping power. There's also an optional spare tire and wheel that mounts to the front of the trailer. As we walk to the back of the trailer, we come to the dovetail. The 2-foot dovetail is heavy-gauge diamond plate steel, also with traction bars. This provides a more gradual incline with better grip for safer loading and unloading of equipment. 5-foot heavy-duty steel ramps are included on this model, and you have the option of your choice of slide-in ramps that stow underneath or stand-up ramps that have a support bar for heavier equipment. We also offer aluminum ramps as an upgrade, and they are half the weight but have the same strength. The paint and finish on the trailer are nothing less than top-notch. The process starts with a full media blasting to remove any surface rust or scale. Then, each trailer is fully primed top to bottom in preparation for the 2 top coats of automotive-grade acrylic enamel paint, all of which is done in our new state-of-the-art paint facility. This ensures that you have a protective, durable, and shiny finish for years to come. The last thing we want to mention is that lifetime LED lighting is standard for all Texas Pride models. All lighting is either recessed or still encased to protect them from accidents and the elements. If you have any more questions about this trailer, please feel free to give our friendly staff at Texas Pride a call. We'd like to thank you for taking the time to look at our Texas Pride extra wide model 18,000-pound Gooseneck Lowboy equipment trailer.